Hey, welcome back to the channel. Guys, welcome back. We will be taking this door off again, but we have another door that we're going to put on there. This one, yeah. It's a cleaner door. Don't have any dents or anything on it like that. So we're going to take that door off. We're going to take this door off. And we're going to replace it because, yeah, this door got a lot of dings on it. Not that. And when you shut the door, the switch, it don't connect. So we're going to try to put this other door on. This might be a 2 to 3 episode video. Yeah, 2 or 3. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to finish it with this one video right here. So we'll see. Let's take it off. I've got some of the screws loose in here. Some of the screws loose in here. See? Man, these things are 2 different sizes. No, I got the big one. Jeez Louise. Okay. Take this thing off. A lot to do. Take the glass out. Take the glass out. Put it in the other one. Should have just bought the glass LKQ, but I didn't want to pay for glass when I already got the glass. Why pay for it if I already got it? That's what you get when you're cheap. When you're cheap, you don't want to pay. So, I don't want to pay that, man. So, we'll see. We'll see. But let's take this door off. And, take this door off. Okay. Please don't fall on my hand. That will hurt very bad. Okay, should be able to come off now with ease. Wait a minute, do I have that inner part hooked up? Let's see. Oh man, do I? If I got that hooked up. I don't have it hooked up, so. Okay. There you have it. Got that off. Now let's put the other one on. Hopefully everything fits a little better. Hopefully everything fits a little better. That part, when it closes, was the worst. When it closes. Closed already. So hoping for some luck here, but we will see. Oh man. Okay. Hoping for some luck here, but not sure gonna get it. Not sure about that. That's for sure. Let's see. Yeah, so those came on the other one. Put that on here. I think it's gonna close correctly, but I don't think it's gonna close good. I just don't think. It's gonna close correctly. I just don't think something is going on with the closing of this door. Something's not right, guys. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Something isn't right. I don't want to tighten these screws too tight because the door has a sagging. So I'm not going to tighten them too tight. It has a sag. Sag is still in this one, so something yours truly has to figure out. I don't know. We'll see. Got a sag in it. Wondering if this sag right here, you see it? Look at that sag. Yeah, that one's higher. This one's lower. See that? That's crazy. Look at that gap. That's crazy. Ain't no way that should be like that. Don't like it, guys. Don't like it at all, but you know me. If I can't fix them, just drive it just like that. Screw it. Door is closing now. That's good, eh? Ain't have to worry about that. It's closing right. It's just something going on. Gotta figure this out. Figure it out. Looking at this thing, even this side is a little lower than the top itself, but it's much better. Everything lining straight up. So yeah, I don't know. don't know, but I don't like it either, so I gotta figure that out. But I can tell you one thing. I'm not taking this A-pillar, this lower A-pillar back off. I'm not doing that. Door hang pillar, whatever you want to call it. I'm not gonna take that back off. Ain't no way I'm doing that. So you gotta figure it out. Why is that doing that? Why is it like that? Why? That's the answer. That's the question. I don't know why it's doing that. But I can tell you it's not right. That is not right. None of this should be level, should be even. Closing right on. I think I screwed something up. I know I did, because why is it sagging like this? Why is it sagging? Why? Don't know. But anyhow, we gotta put the glass and everything back in here. Usually if you mess with these, you can get the height right, but I think I tried that. Tried to get the height right, but had my jack up under it, trying to adjust it. It just won't go no higher, even if you lift up. The hinge is already there. It's already there. It's about a half an inch off. About a half an inch off. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Yeah. Whenever I get hold up on something, I just don't like to go forward until I at least know why it's doing it. But this, I gotta hear and finish this truck. Taking too long. Way too long. I thought maybe something was wrong with that door over there, but now I see It ain't the door. It's something I did. It's not the door. It is something I did. Maybe this is lower than it's supposed to be. Maybe it's supposed to be up a little higher. But everything is darn near perfect though. See all that? Darn near perfect. So I don't know, but it's just about, it's like a half an inch, so that could be it. That could be it. Now I don't know if I could adjust these right here. I can adjust those. I don't know if I can lift up on them. No, lift up on the door, then tighten them. So the door will be a little bit higher than it is. Don't know if that would help or not. But I don't know. Here, I think I tried that with this one. I think I tried it with this one. Oh my goodness. Alright, scared me there, guys. I don't know. I think I already tried this. I just want to see how far they can move up and down these hinges. And guess what? Guess what, guys? Guess what? They don't move much at all. They barely move. I think I'm screwed. They barely move. Barely. So that's not going to be too much help. That's not going to be too much help. They barely move. Barely move. Not doing it over, that's for sure. Door just be sagging a half an inch. It's going to be sagging a half an inch. That's all. It's going to be sagging. That's all. Gonna be sagging. Alright guys, we're gonna pick up in the next video. Stay tuned because this one is about over. So but I'm still gonna say it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Share it to everybody you know, and should pick up on the next video. Okay, peace. Pick up on the next video.